Want to create VHS like this?
Welcome to Roblox, a game to teach your children and enjoying. We have many games for children to play, like Royale High, epic mini games, work at a pizza place, and more.
Well, today, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Stick around to the end, because I will give you my intro tape. No further ado, let's get into the video. Step 1. Download Capcut. Don't worry, it's free. You can get it on PC, Mac and your phone. If you have better PC and had a lot of money, then download After Effects or Blender. But if you like me having potato PC and had no money, then download Capcut. So that's why we're only using Capcut for this video. Step 2. Editing. For this one I can't help you out, because this is your video, not mine. If you already have video ready, then let's go into the last step. Step 3. Adding effect. Since I'm rushing making this video to help you guys out, I'm just gonna leave the text here. Let's see the result. And that's it. I hope you got an amazing result. The guy who found how to make it was actually made by Sumthespon. So shout out to Sponge. And now, the moment you're waiting for on how to get the tape. I hid the code in this video and it started with hashtag. After you found the code, comment this video with the code and your Discord. If you don't have Discord, well, you can't get it. Anyway, have a nice day.